Hello and welcome to Echospeak English. I am so glad you're here. Today, we are going to learn something super important. And you know what? It's pretty easy. We're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English.
So, what do you say? Are you ready to get started? By the end of this quick lesson, you'll be able to tell anyone who you are and a little bit about yourself. Trust me, it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's jump right in.
Okay, first things first, we have to start with the basics, right? Think of these words as the building blocks. Once you have these, you can build all sorts of amazing sentences. We'll take it nice and slow.
Our very first word is name. This word is how you tell someone who you are. Listen closely. Name. Can you hear that? Now, it's your turn. Say it out loud with me. Name. Fantastic! Next up, we have the word from. This is a small word, but it's a really important one. It's how you tell someone your home country, where you come from. Listen. From. Let's try it together. Ready? From. Excellent work! Now, what about where you are living right now? For that, we use the word live. Listen again. Live. Okay, your turn. Let me hear you say it. Live. You are doing a wonderful job. All right, this next one is about what you do, maybe for your job. The word is work. Say it with me, work. See, you're really getting the hang of this. And if you're learning English, well then this word is for you. It's student. Let's say it together. Student. Amazing. You've just learned 5 key words. Now, let's see how we put them together. Okay, here we go. This is the really fun part. We're going to take those single words and turn them into real sentences you can actually use to talk to people.
Every single conversation has to start somewhere, right? The most common way in English is with a friendly hello. It's warm, it's welcoming. Let's try it together. Put a smile on your face and say, hello. Perfect.
Remember our first word, name? To introduce yourself, you just say, my name is, and then you add your name. So for example, I would say, my name is John. Now you try it with your name. Go ahead. And what about our second word, from? Here's how you use it. You say, I am from, and then your country. For example, I am from America. Let's practice that one. Ready? I am from, and you fill in the blank. If you want to share your age, it's really easy. You just say, I am, and then your age, years old. So if you're 25, you'd say, I am 25 years old. Go ahead, give it a try with your age. Now, this phrase is a real gem. It's something so friendly and polite to say when you meet someone new. It really shows you're happy to talk to them. Let's say it with some energy. Nice to meet you.
Okay, team. You have the words, you have the sentences. Now it's time to put it all together and see what a real conversation looks like. This is where it all comes to life.
Okay, so let's imagine you're meeting someone. You could start just like this. Hello, my name is John. What's your name? See how you're not just talking, you're asking a question? That's how you keep a conversation going. And the other person will probably answer with something friendly, like, hi, my name is David. Simple, right? Hi is just another friendly way to say hello.
Now it's your turn again, and you know exactly what to say. You can use that wonderful phrase we just learned, nice to meet you, David. It's perfect.
And they'll probably say it right back, and then ask you another question to get to know you better. Something like, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? A conversation is like a game of catch, back and forth.
And you can answer with one of our power sentences, I'm from America. And you? Now, what I want you to do is pause and read this whole conversation out loud. It's the best way to get comfortable. You're doing so well.
You just went through a whole conversation. That's amazing. Now for the most important step of all. Let's take what we just learned and make it all about you.
So how do we do that? How can you take that example and make it sound like you? Well, it's actually super simple. This is where you get to be creative. Here's the trick. You just swap out the details. Instead of John, you put in your name. Instead of America, you put in your country. You can change the age, you can talk about being a student, or what you do for work. It's like a template, and you just fill in your own story.
You now have everything you need to introduce yourself in English. You can do this. So, my question for you is, the next time you get a chance, what are you going to say first? Think about it, and then go try it. You did an absolutely fantastic job today. Seriously, give yourself a pat on the back. Keep practicing and don't ever be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Make sure you subscribe to Echospeak English so you get all of our new lessons. I can't wait to see you in the next one.